Oh, Lord, I'm on the verge of a nervous meltdown. I need professional help, and damn the expense.
My friend, you have nothing to worry about, except a nightmarish life of unremitting horror. For you see, you are a werecar. The car that ran you down on the moors was also a werecar. It beamed the virus to you through its demonic headlights. Each midnight, when your clock resets to 0, your hardware reconfigures into a murderous four-wheeled car.
I can't keep running people over. I'm not famous enough to get away with it. Can't you help me?
Yes, but you must be willing to pay a terrible price. Your only hope is to destroy the original werecar.
I'm with you.
In its death throes, the dread car will beam out the virus's uninstall program, thus ridding you of the curse.
And otherwise I can never die?
Who said that? Sure you can die. You want to die?
No, I want to live.
Then live on, forever cursed. Now go.
I'm scared.